and we're in the middle. Man, I'm kicked out. Oh man. Oh man, that's too funny, bro. It is what it is. Well guys, the mic might be a little bit messed up right now, but hopefully it dries up later. Today's just not my luck. Alright, I'm gonna cast real quick. Just like that. There's not like crazy water in my waders, but there's a good amount. That's too funny.
They gonna give you problems too?
Huh?
They gonna give you problems too?
No. What happened?
He came down here, he's like, this is my spot on the river. It's like, it's the whole fucking river, man.
Who is it? What guy?
That guy.
Oh.
I've been coming here for 9 years. I'm out the door.
Got me there, bro. Oh, I'm on. Yo. Got it. Got it. Come here, buddy. Come here, bud. Oh, this is a good one. It's a good one. It's a real nice one. Oh, and it just popped off. Hopefully, I don't fall again. Sorry, y'all. I forgot to close the video. But it was just a whole mess. My brother's reel broke somehow, and I was still soaked in water. It was just not a good day of fishing. But at least we got 2 salmon, 2 pinks. But there will be a special video soon coming up. I'll be fishing with bobbers for salmon. So I'll see you guys on the next video.